I need to glue my pins down because I lost my Spain one on a flight one time, so good thing I'm going back to Spain and will be able to get a new one, but I will be gluing all the other ones down so I don't lose those. So basically, to figure out how many outfits I have, I'm just gonna count how many boxes are colored in, except for this row and this row, because I'm not taking the jean shorts with me and I'm not taking Adidas with me. So let's count. Okay, 22 outfits, not including my dress. That's super solid. Now I just have to figure out the shoes.